Okay, so here we have a cocklebur, and this is an interesting plant that inspired Velcro. And they have these little seed pods that stick, and this is how they get transported and how these plants grow and find new places to live, because animals and even people spread their seeds. So one other important fact about this area is this is where the piping plovers came after they had their baby chicks. They came here and they hung out and they protected their young. And this is also, coincidentally, where humans like to play volleyball. So now there's a question of how can we make this space safe for the piping plovers to return and continue to help restore this area to its natural habitat and get rid of some of these invasive cockleburs and the young cottonwood saplings that like to grow here, and retain this area for these endangered species. And what do we do about volleyball? So right now, community members are having conversations of, should we expand this area to be naturally protected for these highly endangered birds? And what would we do with the volleyball players? Is there another place that they could play volleyball and continue recreating and building community in that way? This is where we come together and we find unity, and we help prioritize humans and animals and all the organisms that call Chicago and this earth home.